I've got the matching t-shirt. Now get the pinions. Ninesteps have developed their own special pinions, and these are designed for 1/10 scale applications, race car applications, well, buggies. Pretty much it's a standard pitch that we use in our buggies and so on and so forth, whether we're racing or whatnot. Even some on-road applications are using this. Let me put myself in a little box in the corner there and have a look at these high quality pinions that we've engineered. If you go over 35 tooth, they start to come lightweight and all holy, which is really nice. These are really nice hardened aluminium pinions, super lightweight, laser etched on the back for sizing that you can see. Standard 3mm grub screw, which will take a 1.5mm Allen key, and they are available in sizes 15 to 38. So, and every size in between. So look at the teeny weeny 16th. If you're running a vintage car or a really low turn modified, that's going to be the pinion you're using. Then we've got, I just brought in a few different sizes. We've got a 20 here, you can see here. Again, beautiful anodizing on that, laser etched on the back. And then we've got the 24, one of our most popular sellers. If you're running four-wheel drive stock, that's probably going to be the pinion that you'll have screwed up to your 13.5 in your off-road buggy. You can see how this around the center that's all milled out to keep it nice and light. There you go. That is the latest range from Ninesteps. They came in with some of the tools last week. I didn't get to show them, but here you are. Ninesteps pinions are available in store and online now, and you'll find these at other hobby shops around the country very soon.